Wow!
What's up, guys? So we've talked a lot about everything on this page when it comes to preparing to be a firefighter. We've covered polygraphs, we've covered interviews. If you're interested in any of that, just dig around. You'll find some videos on that stuff. Something we haven't talked much about is preparing for academy, so let's do that. Because all of you are gonna get hired. Duh. You're following me. Come on. All right, I got a bunch of good juicy notes here for you guys. So, a lot of you guys are new to the fire service. And over the next week or so, I'm gonna hit some basics in firefighting, terminology, things like that you should know prior to academy, just to make academy that much easier on you. Tonight we're gonna talk about reading smoke. This is like my tea and chat time with you. So when it comes to reading smoke, there are 4 different things that we talk about: volume, velocity, density, and color. And these 4 things can tell you a lot. So number 1, volume. When you think about volume, you're thinking about how much smoke is coming out of this. Now, if it's a small shed with a lot of smoke coming out, it doesn't mean much because it's small. But if you got a big building like a Home Depot and there's a lot of smoke coming out, then you know you've got a big fire in there. So think about the size of the structure when it comes to the volume of the smoke. Number 2, velocity. So there's some velocity. The faster the smoke is coming out, the hotter it is. So if smoke's pouring out the building and it's coming out and just kind of slowing down, okay? But if it's coming out and it's chugging and it's turbulent, it continues to swirl in the air, you got yourself a hot fire. Number 3, density. So think of smoke as unburned fuel. When it's really thick, you got to be careful. There's a good potential for that stuff to light off. Color is also very important. If it's black, there's a good chance to structure fire. The darker the smoke is, the closer it is to the seat of the fire. So that's just down and dirty lesson on reading smoke. Hopefully this is just something that you can go over prior to academy. Tell us what you know about smoke. And if you're preparing to go to academy, chime in below, ask some questions so that I can cover those questions for you. All right, thanks guys, be safe. I'll see you on the big one.